Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-02285 error in Oracle Database 12c. So I have logged in as a common user called c#escort. Make sure that you have enough permission to execute the SQL queries. So now I am copy pasting one SQL query to create the sequence. Let us see what is going to happen after executing this query. Okay, ORA-02285 duplicate start with specification error is thrown. So what is the problem here is the keyword called start with is mentioned 2 times in SQL query. Okay, same SQL query which is invalid. Okay, so start with should come only one time. Okay, now I am correcting the SQL query. So this is the fix for ORA-02285 duplicate start with specifications. Now we can see that sequence is created successfully.